guys, this is Love Emily 21. So I'm filming in a new area because I have a tripod. So yeah, so this video is opening my Zales ring that I got. I'm so excited to open this. I actually originally was supposed to get this in the show, but for some reason they shipped it here, so whatever. But yeah, I'm so excited. And I ordered this with my first and second paycheck, so I'm so excited. I'm just really excited all around. So yeah, so it is not in the box because I can hear it moving around there. So, but yeah, I'm so excited to open it. So I'm gonna open it right now. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So here it is. As I said, it went out. Hold on, I'm gonna set it up so it looks nice. I can't tell if this is the... So this is what it is. It's a cute cat ear. Aww, this is so cute. This is so cute, guys. I'm sorry it's blurry. I'll show you guys better. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. And it has real little diamonds where the ears are. So it is so cute. I thought the lighting would be so perfect, but the lighting is not even working right now. The sun went down, but it used to be so bright. Now it's getting brighter. But this is what it looks like. Like I said, I'll show you guys a close-up because for some reason my camera won't focus right now. But it is super cute, like I said. This is so freaking cute. I ordered it in a size 6 so I could wear it on one of these. I actually want to wear it on my pointer finger. But yeah, it's super cute. It's so cute. I'm really trying to show you guys, but my camera won't focus. But I'm gonna show you guys in the sun close up. But yeah, it's so cute. So this is the hand I want to wear it on, my pointer finger, because I just think it would really look cute. And it's just a nice simple cat ring, not too much. Like I said, it has little diamonds. I ordered the rose gold one. I freaking love rose gold, and I love Zales rose gold. So it's just so perfect, and I am so happy with it. So I'm gonna show you guys close up in the sun. So here is the ring up close. I finally got my camera to actually work for it. But yeah, it's so cute. It has little diamonds, like I said, in the cat ears, and it's actually the front and the back that has it, which is so cool because I just thought it would just be the front. So I freaking love it. They have it in rose gold, silver, and gold. I got rose gold, of course, like I said, because I freaking love rose gold. I do love silver too, but I thought rose gold would be more special because it's such a nice, simple ring. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I love this ring so much. And yeah, if you're a cat lover, give this a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching.